Hello student, today I am going to discuss journal entries. Which type of journal entry I am going to discuss? GST journal entries. Okay, this is problem number 7, and already I have made 7 video on this chapter journal entries. Okay, on journal chapter, and this is video 8. I am going to discuss this. How will you solve this problem? I am going to discuss. Try to understand the question at first. Okay, then you can solve it very easily. Purchase goods from Rakesh for 40,000 plus CGST and SGST 9%. Clear? Each issued him check 20,000 balance payable after 2 months. It means what? You have goods purchased and tax is 9%, and you are paying after purchasing the goods 20,000. Okay, and balance after 2 months you will pay. Okay, this is the question. How will you solve? I am going to discuss it. Please see it. This is purchase journal entries. Okay, try to understand at first. Try to understand it. I think you can see it very easily. No problem. I am going to discuss. The purchase goods from Rakesh. The purchase account debit to Rakesh. We know very well. Purchase account debit to Rakesh. Purchase goods from Rakesh. Purchase account debit to Rakesh. Okay, this is answer. If if question was that purchase goods from Rakesh, then purchase account debit to Rakesh. In simple journal entry we have done it, but some adjustment is given. Okay, then you will write, you will do pass the journal entry in this way. Try to understand. Purchase goods from Rakesh. The purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. Okay, purchase account debit. Amount is given 40,000. So here you will write 40,000. 40,000. Here purchase account debit 40,000. Clear? CGST, SGST and CGST 9%. Okay, SGST and CGST 9%. The input, if you are purchasing anything, then you will write input. Okay, input CGST, input CGST account debit. What is 9% of 40,000? 9% of 40,000. We know very well, 3,600. Clear? Input, this is input T. Input SGST account debit. Input SGST account debit 3,600. Okay. 2. How they are paying the amount? Check. Through check. So here you will write to bank. Here you will write what? To bank. To bank you will write the amount. To bank 20,000. To bank account 20,000. Okay. To who is Rakesh, account debit, and balance amount you will write. Okay, balance amount is, at first you will add this amount and you will minus this amount 20,000, then balance is 27,200. Okay. Again understand. Purchase account debit 40,000. Input CGST account debit 3,600. Input SGST account debit 3,600. To bank account 20,000. To Rakesh account 27,200, because Rakesh is given. The name is Rakesh. Clear? Now I am going to write the narration. Narration I am going to write. Clear? Please see the, how will you write the narration? I am going to tell you. Being the goods purchased from Rakesh, being the goods purchased from Rakesh, the goods purchased from Rakesh paid CGST and SGST at the rate of 9%, balance payable after 2 months, 9% balance payable after 2 months. Here we lies balance payable after 2 months. In this video I have discussed you how will you pass journal entries, okay, how will you pass journal entries, okay, of purchase journal entry, how will you pass. Don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Thanks for watching this video.